If you're putting money into the wrong retirement account right now, it could cost you over $1 million in lost tax-free wealth. And the worst part? Most people think they're doing the smart thing. They're not. In the next 3 minutes, I'll show you the single decision that decides whether your retirement money gets taxed once or taxed forever. Stay with me, because this mistake is invisible until it's too late. Today, we're breaking down Roth IRA versus 401k in plain English. No jargon, no fluff. I've spent years analyzing retirement strategies, tax brackets, and real IRS rules, not TikTok advice. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly which account you should prioritize first based on how the US tax system actually works. Step 1. Understand the real difference. Here's the simplest way to think about it. A 401k is like telling the IRS, "Don't tax me now, tax me later." A Roth IRA is saying, "I'll pay taxes today so you never touch this money again." Most Americans choose the 401k because it feels smarter today. That's where the trap is. Step 2. The tax bracket reality check. Here's the uncomfortable truth. If you're watching this and earning under $100,000, you are likely in the lowest tax bracket you'll ever be in, meaning taxes are cheaper now than later. So why would you delay taxes until retirement when your account is larger, withdrawals are mandatory, and tax laws can change? Pattern interrupt. Your biggest retirement risk isn't the stock market, it's future tax rates. Step 3. The $1.5 million example. Let's say you invest $250 a month for 40 years. At an average return, that can grow to around $1.5 million. In a traditional 401k, a big chunk goes to taxes. In a Roth IRA, you keep every dollar. No required withdrawals, no tax surprises, no begging the IRS for mercy. Here's what I want you to do next. Click the next video where I break down how to invest inside a Roth IRA step by step, even if you're starting with just $50. Don't guess, don't delay, because the IRS doesn't care about your intentions, only your timing.